Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the audiobook headphones button to play the next or previous chapter or skip forward or back in audiobook on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Books. Next, in Books Settings, go down to the external controls, and in here you can choose next, previous, or skip forward or back. So select one of the options, and so that headphones and car controls can be used to play the next, previous chapter, or skip forward or back within the audiobook. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.